Approachable. Supportive.
Receptive. Kind.
Cheerful.
Stay amazing, sir. Cool. Yeah.
Generous.
How should I describe Morita-san naman? Well, for me, I'm very grateful to Sir Morita, especially with all of the blessings that was shared last year to us. But one word that I can describe him is he is very giving.
I don't know what to say. Actually, Morita-san is very considerate with the employees because even though we really need to meet our MD, in the tone of his voice, he's not pushing us to complete. But of course, we are able to meet the targets. And also, Morita-san, sorry, I don't know if you ano tawag doon? Yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but sometimes I fell asleep here in my Anyway, thank you very much for all the support to KPH. So, I hope you can do it as well. Thank you very much.
For Sir Morita, yeah, first, when we first met, I can see as a leader that has straight, but you can work with means, yeah, along the way you can approach, being approachable leader. And true enough, you are stay here in KDDI Philippines for almost 3 years. We're working on for our targets, but not to the point that we are so stressed. So that's the leader you portray to us. So thank you very much for the 3 years you've been here in the Philippines as our chairman, who lead us what we are right now. And good luck to your next journey of your career. Thank you.
Hard to imagine the office without a handsome guy.
You've been a mentor and a supporter to all of us.
We're so excited for the amazing opportunities ahead of you, sir.
Wishing you endless success, happiness, and fulfillment in this next chapter of your journey.
Wishing you all the best in your next adventure.
It's been amazing
Good luck and take care, Sir Morita.
Good luck and take care, Sir Morita.
Hello, Sir Morita. Good morning. We are very surprised when we heard the news that you are already going back to KDDI Japan. We are not expecting that this will happen very soon. For the past 3 years, KDDI Philippines has achieved a lot of things. That is because of your leadership and management. We are very grateful for the past 3 years. Without you, sir, we will not be able to achieve it. Now that you are going back to Japan, hopefully you will not forget KDDI Philippines. And on behalf of server, endpoint, and operation maintenance team of ICT Department, arigatou gozaimasu. Good luck, sir, and see you around. Bye.
Ohayou gozaimasu, Sir Morita-san. Thank you for the hard work.